How to fix your TikTok verification code problem. Well, there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. In this video, we're going to be talking about all the ways you can simply go ahead and fix this problem. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your phone number and make sure that it is correct and tap on send code. If you have even a single digit error, then you're going to be facing this problem, of course. Then you want to check your SMS inbox for the 6-digit code. Also check spam or junk folder or unknown folders, by the way, and enter the code within 10 minutes before it expires. If you've waited too long, then it could possibly simply go ahead and expire. If it still doesn't work, you want to click on resend code and wait for a couple more minutes. You want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or even try restarting your phone. If it's still not working, you want to make sure that your date and time settings are set to automatically. And if your application is not up to date, you can go to your App Store and Play Store. Simply go ahead and update the application to the latest version. If your mobile number is facing problems, you can also use email.